Hello everyone. Today we are going to be learning about aligning, ordering and grouping objects in a Word document. So let's get started with it. Pictures, text boxes and shapes are all considered objects in a Word document. So sometimes you need a little help arranging these objects to get your document look the way you want. Take these four text boxes for example. Right now, they are all placed kind of randomly on the page, but I would want them to line up in a row. Of course, I could try to line them up manually, or I could get Word to do it for me. The first thing you will need to select the objects you all want to align. To select them all at once, just hold Shift on your keyboard while you click. Next, move on to the Format tab and click the Align command. Now, you will have several different options to choose from, ranging from vertical to horizontal alignment. You can also choose whether to align the objects to the page, to the margin, or to each other. After doing that, this time I'm going to select the aligned right, and now the objects are all aligned to each other along the right edge. There's another thing I would like you to change that can be done just as easily. Notice how the shapes are lined up but they're not quite evenly spaced? To fix that, go to the Align command again and choose Distribute Vertically. To fix that, perfect. Now that I have objects arranged the way I want, I'm going to group them and so that they always stay together. Just make sure you have each of your objects selected and then click the Group command and choose Group from it. Now we have a single grouped object. The way we want and the way we resize, we can do anything. See how that works? Perfectly. At this point, everything is perfectly aligned and arranged in the right order, so I'm happy with my document. You can actually choose any styles you want and you will be able to work with the objects in different kind of situations now. Thank you.